Hello, everybody. My name is Haley Strauss. I am a third grade teacher in Mayville, North Dakota. I've taught there for the last 6 years. I just started year 7, and we just completed day 6 of school. This is my family. My husband, Joey, and I have been married for 2 years. We have one little boy, Grady, was born May of 2020, and we have 2 golden retrievers, Maggie and Rizzo. In my spare time, I like to spend time outside with my son, go shopping, hang out with friends and family, and travel. This summer, the top picture there of my family, we were able to spend a week at Cape Cod with some of my family that lives out on the East Coast and spent an entire week at the beach. It was super fun. I've decided to pursue the ELL route basically because of the influence of one student that I had in the past year and the lack of support I felt like we had in our district and nearby, and felt like we were missing somebody, and thought that maybe that could be an avenue that I could pursue. I look forward to learning about each and every one of you in our small class, and hope that this is a great semester. Thanks.